Oh, hi, Pinkie Pie.
This is your singing telegram. I hope we find you well. You're invited to a party because we think you're really swell. Gummy's turning 1 year old, so help us celebrate. The cake will be delicious, the festivities first rate. There will be games and dancing, pop for apples, cut a rug. And when the party's over, we'll gather round for a group hug. No need to bring a gift, being there will be enough. Birthdays mean having fun with friends, not getting lots of stuff. It won't be the same without you, so we hope that you say yes. So please, oh please, RSVP and come and be our guest. Next time I think I'll just pass out written invitations.